Make a great choice today with the 2007 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, roof rack, braking assist. Inside you'll find universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.